Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to transfer account ownership in Salesforce quickly and easily. A key skill for managing team workflows and keeping records up to date. First, open your Salesforce dashboard and click the app launcher, the grid icon in the top corner. In the search bar, type accounts and hit enter. Next, scroll through your list of accounts and click on the one you want to transfer. After that, open the account record page. Look for the owner field, sometimes labeled account owner. Next to the current owner's name, click the change owner icon. Now, a new window will appear. Use the search field to find and select the new owner. You'll also see options to transfer related records like opportunities, cases, or contacts. To complete, click the change owner button. The account and any selected related records will now be reassigned to the new user. And that's it. You've just transferred account ownership in Salesforce. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.